Veteran journalist Mark Gleason has ignited the transfer rumor with a stunning revelation about Orlando Pirates' rising star. Bagezile Mbogazi was reportedly on the brink of a lucrative move to Major League Soccer. Mbogazi, one of the Buccaneers' most promising young talents, is believed to be in the United States this weekend for advanced discussions with the MLS outfit Chicago Fire. The 20-year-old is expected to hold formal talks over what could become one of the most substantial outgoing deals in South African football in recent years. Gleason broke the news on his X account, reporting that the potential transfer could fetch Orlando Pirates striking $3 million, around 52 million rand at current exchange rates, and said Orlando Pirates Mbekisile Mbokazi is in US this weekend to sign for Chicago Fire. If terms agreed, there will be $3 million transfer fee. The update has sent shockwaves through local football circles, with many hailing the move as a sign of a Pirates' growing reputation for developing players capable of attracting international suitors. Mbogazi's rise through the club structures has been marked by composure, athleticism, and maturity beyond his years, qualities that have clearly caught the eye abroad. Chicago Fire, who are looking to bolster their defensive unit ahead of the new MLS campaign, have identified Mbogazi as a priority target. His potential arrival will add youthful energy and versatility to their backline. Should negotiations conclude successfully, Bogas will join the growing list of South African players making the leap to Major League Soccer, a move that could accelerate his career and broaden the visibility of domestic talent on global platforms. For Pirates, the transfer will not only represent a significant financial boost, but also reaffirm the club's commitment to producing and exporting top talent. Bogas's next step now rests on the outcome of this weekend's talks, but all signs point to an imminent transatlantic switch for one of the country's brightest young defenders. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.